Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I'm managing my tasks. Like I'm using n8n and Google Sheet to make my proper to-dos because I have so many clients and I'm not sure, like obviously I need to have a proper follow-up with the clients. I need to see what are the tasks are in delay. So let me give you a demo and you will understand how I'm managing this task. Okay, so here I'm going to write some of my tasks which I have in my mind. I need to complete a chatbot for LSD and some revisions of prompt in it by tomorrow, waiting for client to send me revisions. I need to delete some post from LinkedIn today. Okay, so I just provided my task and you can see here, it just created two tasks for me. And you can see, as I mentioned, I'm waiting for my client. It just changed that to the client. And if I don't mention anything, it just by default shows it to me. Okay, so here, if I do any of my tasks here to done, I have automation here. When I will run this, uh, these tasks automatically go here like this. And let's say if I will okay, so by the way, another thing you can see in the to do, I have another automation in the n8n. It will work after 20 minutes. So basically, whenever there's a task for the client, it will directly go here. So right now, I just using 20 minutes in scheduler, so that's why it's going to take some time because I don't need it very fast. I can definitely mention it into seconds and minutes, but I really don't need that. And here, if I do it back to Ahmed and I will run this one, so you will see after running that, it get backs here. So that's how I'm managing my task. So if any of the task is in delay, so here's a delay example. I can just do it. So today is 16, and if I can mention it to 15, so all the tasks which are in delay they will just directly go to late task. So by this, I'm able to manage all of my tasks on time. I don't need to worry about if I'm getting delayed because I know what are the tasks in delay, so I can prioritize those tasks first. Okay, that's it for now.